From the job site to the office floor, wearable tech is helping people stay healthier and safer in real time. These tools track things like motion, posture, heat, and strain, giving teams instant insight into where support is needed. And it's not just numbers, it's action. Smart alerts prompt breaks, suggest stretches, or flag risky movements before they lead to injury. That data becomes even more powerful when paired with real-time support from athletic trainers, health coaches, or supervisors. Over time, the insights add up: fewer injuries, better recovery, and smarter work habits for everyone. But smarter care only works if people trust it. That's why privacy matters just as much as performance. Employees need to know what's being tracked, who sees it, and how is it used. Transparency builds trust. When data stays secure and opt-in, wearables feel less like monitoring and more like support. When tech empowers people, not just tracks them, it becomes a true health tool, not a watchful eye. The future of health at work is personal, powerful, and protected, and it's already here. Explore how tech can support safer, smarter workplaces. Visit medcor.com.